Hey friends, if you wish to enable local security authority protection LSA protection on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the possible methods. So the first one is to Windows security. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security. Now go to device security on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select core isolation. You'll find the option for LSA or local security authorization here. Now I don't have it because I have a home computer, but you'll find it here. You can turn the switch on. The other method is through the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. This will open the registry editor window. Now go to the following path, which is HKey local machine, system, current control set, control, and then scroll down to L and then click on LSA. In the right pane, you will create a dword 32-bit entry named run as PPL. Okay. Right click in the open space, new dword 32-bit entry, run as PPL. Now double click on this entry and change the value data to 1. Click on OK. And this will enable the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.